Ready for another exciting adventure? Let's see if you can guess this world-famous landmark. It's an ancient amphitheater known for gladiatorial battles. It's located in the heart of a city that was once the center of a vast empire. A. The Parthenon, Athens, Greece. B. The Colosseum, Rome, Italy. C. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The correct answer is B. The Colosseum, Rome, Italy. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and remains one of the most iconic symbols of Rome. Did you get it right?